Mom, Dad, do you remember the guy I told you about?
Who are you talking about, Rachel? That Brandon dude?
Yes, Dad, Brandon. So, I invited him over for dinner with us this evening.
Rachel, you invited a total stranger to have dinner in our house without saying anything earlier.
Yeah, Mom, mine are bad, but I just thought it would be a good time to meet him.
It's okay, Rachel. Don't worry your pretty little head. I'll talk with your mom, and we'll definitely make it work out for you, okay? So just invite him over, and we will have everything prepared. We'll sit, talk, get to know this Brandon dude, and see what happens from here. So no worries. I got you, Abby.
Thanks, Dad. You're the best.
Are you sure about this, honey?
Of course I'm sure. Our daughter's just being transparent. She wants us to meet the guy that she intends to date. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Let the young man come over. Let's meet him and see what he's about.
Well, okay.
Man, fresh like a cup of spring water. Man, look clean. Yeah. Go home and over, get myself organized up, put on some clothes and get myself out. Meet up with Rachel and her parents, them an idea, yeah? Oh no.
Yo, Atul, wagwan. You know more you come give me a link round pan the ends alright, you know. Cause yo, the election results them come through on our party with, you know. So you don't know, so we need to put certain things in place right away. So yo, come link me right now.
I'll say I would my general, man. I dep on my way I come give you a link right now on your block.
Yo, Atul, you don't see I know see our party in the election, you know. But everything in my bone I tell me say yo, them boy they from over city and come try a thing. So here we do. When you get a more experience shot and put him on the front with the juvenile, every liquor man, everywhere else, in every nook and cranny, as long as a youth will fall under our orders, make sure say all I man them strap up and make them know say yo fi keep a eye out at any little funny move, slap some shot pan some boy. We no business a who, we no want no strange face, no strange man at all, especially the boy them from over city pan the ends. So just make sure so you make every man but know the full 100 of how things are gonna set right now. Cause I just feel say them boy they are gonna try to make a step. The boy better than not to be trusted was like when party lose. Nah man, we have to make sure so the ends safe and secure. Oh my son.
Yeah, man, my general, man, what you say, man? Anything you say, I lie, no, my general, and that's a good idea. Definitely feel like say them boy they will come make a step same way, yes. So here what? Consider it done, my general. You know if you say 40, 39, good. You see?
So yo, tuggy. How we stay for later? Wagwan. You get the juvenile them as I did instruct you. You get the juvenile them, and you make sure I said the whole of the man them arms up. Wagwan. Talk to me the man more and know exactly what I go on. For later.
Yeah man, my general man. Remember me did tell us I gotta deal with it in my boss. So you have to ask twice. When I say I saw, the juvenile them ready, every man arms up. So we just wait for a year calling or year queue. We just make the step and go over there. You see it, my boss?
Alright, tuggy. I'm glad how you come back to your senses. Still I understand the role of you fair play. But anyway, man, I link you up in a few still. Well, I'm gonna make that step that probably about in the 10:30, 11 o'clock bells. You see it? So just wait for your call. Make sure so you know the phone pan is silent when you're there on a little careless gal them, you know. Make sure so anytime one call you, you answer.
Yes, my general, man. Me hear you loud and clear, my general. Now say I would, man, me answer as you call.
Hey, Brandon. I just texted you the address, but didn't see a response, so I just decided to call instead.
Sorry about that in Rachel. You know, I just look on the phone and see the message jump in. Yeah, man, I get the address, man. I got lucky team. I jump on a taxi and I meet you up there, is it? We shout out in time with the close.
Okay, Brandon, no problem. Be safe on your way up.
All right, Rachel, thanks. Dep on my way. Yo, cabby, yeah, work, cabby. Yo, you hear me? Cabby.
Yeah, man, Brandon, man. I I said, man, of course, me, I wear. Come in, you come in, man.
Yo, cabby, evening, you know, so I'm dep on a little quick move, you know. You know, one you jump me up on Barbican. Charter me, I look still in my car. You don't know, man, stop for time.
All right, Brandon, I say I would, man. Just text me there, just now plug it in on the GPS and get the fastest route and bring a go up there quicker and fast.
Yeah, man, that me I talk about, cabby. That me I talk about. Deal with it quicker and fast.
Oh boy. I hope this one goes well because my mom can be more than a handful sometimes.
Yo, Brandon, where I come up to your stop, you know, no. So you just let yourself organize, you see? Yeah, man, right is your stop.
Alright, my G, I say I would, man. Bless up yourself in a cabby. One time me I left from here, I said, man, I'm gonna knock you back and you just come pick me up back the same place as even my boss. So look more.
Alright, Brandon, I say I would, man. Just show me when time you're ready. What, Brandon? Then who Brandon could have known about them a high place. I look on the big house where your basket drop off. I wonder what go on with Brandon. I wonder if a little batty business Brandon, you know. You don't understand. We ain't get them a big link here from.
What? But look on this big old mansion where Rachel parents them living at. No, man. Rachel parents them think no lily. Them people are king tough for a little way. Jaja God, man I know. Me all are sweating at some little places where me shouldn't even be sweating at my pants right, you know. Me not like me feel bilious. Feel like me would I drink all some busy tea too and me feel that way. Jaja God. But what me I gotta do? Done there already. Then good ass me on the camera from way out. Johnny Master. Commute. Fess up the strength. Fess up the courage. I have to go meet the parents. One way or the other. So better know more than ever. Walk go plus I know go ring all the doorbell. I hope them people and I know big dog run about there to come jump on me and bite me up in a dig and either. God, Jaja God, I can't take a dog bite. So anyway, Brandon, I guess this is the moment of truth. Walk up, let's say, and I'll go ring the doorbell.
So, you must be Brandon. Rachel has told me a lot about you. The wife and Rachel get inside the living room, waiting on you.
Yes, sir, indeed. My name is Brandon for real, man, and it's nice to meet you too, is it?
Young man, let me give you a word of advice. Before you meet my wife, please fix your tone and make sure to speak as clearly as possible so she can understand you. She will nitpick at you for everything.
Okay, sir, no problem. Me hear you loud and clear. Good evening, Rachel Wagwan, and good evening to your beautiful mother. Wagwan Emily, everything blessed.
What did he just say? As a matter of fact, what did he just call me? Rachel, is this the young man you've been telling me about?
Yes, Mommy. Isn't he a sweetheart?
Honey, can you please escort this downtown vagabond of a rude boy out of my house?
You know you don't have to be so hard on the young man. Give the young man a chance, man. Let him stay.
I will not have it. Rachel, when you said a nice young man, I was expecting a university graduate, dressed in a suit and tie, and not this rude boy.
I'm sorry, Brandon. My mom can be a little bit much at times. Dad, please help.
Honey, I think that's enough. Brandon is staying, and he's having dinner with us this evening. Okay? Brandon, you're staying. End of story.
Thank you, sir, for extending some grace, but I feel like me to stay here so still. Rachel, sorry about that still. But your mother clearly not like me. She clearly feels say me as some little low life, downtown, road boy I am. Me know that I mean I really feel comfortable to be judged them type of way there. So here I go on. With all due respect, I go deep.
Brandon, hold on. Please don't go.